There are different methods of analyzing the financial statement. In this book, there are 5 methods given. One is the comparative statement. Statement analysis. Second one is common size statement analysis. Number 3, trend analysis. Number 4, cash flow, fund flow analysis. Fund flow analysis. Number 5, cash flow analysis. Out of these 5, the first 3 model problems are given in the book. For these 2, no such problems given. But anyhow, you should know what is a comparative statement. When 2 statements are given, they are compared and found out whether there is increase or decrease. Say, just for example, I can take assets and liabilities are compared. So, the assets and liabilities, as I said, asset 5 lakhs and the liability 1 lakh. This can be compared and say it is 5:1. When asset is 5 times, the liability is only 1 time. This is the comparative statement. Common size statement. How this is a common size statement? This one. The same 5 lakhs. This is 1 lakh. A common amount size is taken as 2 lakhs. And with the 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs is how much? And this is how much? This is compared like the common size. Then the third one is the trend analysis. And what type of product there is a trend in the market? How much can be sold away? And first year, how much it was sold, and next year what is the sale of the product. All these trends are checked and found. That is the third one, trend analysis. Then fourth one is fund flow analysis. I said already that how much is excess in assets over liabilities. Asset liabilities விட எவ்வளோ அதிகமாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு பார்க்குறது. That is called the fund flow analysis. Then cash flow analysis says, then how much cash is coming into the business and how much is moving out of the business and coming in and going out. Income and expenditure, all these things are compared in cash flow analysis. And these are all the 5 types of problems generally used for analyzing the financial statement. But in your book, the first 3 methods, comparative statement method, common size method, trend analysis method. Comparative statement analysis, common size statement analysis, and the third one, trend analysis. And out of these 3, the first method we are going to see now. See the problem from the exercise. The first problem, from the following particulars, prepare comparative income statement of Arul Limited. Comparative income statement of Arul Limited. Comparative income statement of Arul Limited. Arul Limited. For this, what are the headings under the format? What are the headings under the format? The first column, particulars. Particulars. Second column, there are 2 years given. If there are 3 years, they can take 3 years. Only 2 years are given. For 15-16, the next one is for 16-17, and there are 2 more columns which we shall see later on. And the first one, revenue from operations. Particulars. Year 2015-16. Then next year 2016-17. Revenue from operations. Operations 50,000, 60,000. $50,000, $60,000. And the next item, other income. Other income, 10,000, 30,000. Then the third one, expenses. I leave some gap for which I will tell you later. Expenses 40,000, 50,000. Some 50,000. These are the particulars given for this problem. Then for this, what we should do? Here we can write the percentage increase or decrease. Here absolute amount of increase or decrease. Absolute amount of increase or decrease. Increase plus, decrease minus. Then percentage increase or decrease. Increase, decrease. This is plus, this is minus. Percentage increase or decrease. From this, what we should do? We shall subtract the things first for these 2 columns, then we shall pass on to that. That the actual revenue from operations, that is income from the business, 50,000, 60,000. From other source of income, it is got 10,000, 30,000. You add to find the total income or What should be the total? 60,000 and 90,000 here. This is against it what we can write total revenue. Total revenue from this. And from the total revenue, less you can expenses. Less expenses. What you will get? 60 minus 40, 20,000. 90 minus 50, 40,000. This is the profit. This is the profit. Profit before tax. Profit before tax. Yes. Now we should find the calculation that is very important. First you understand what is given here in the problem and what I have written. This revenue from operations 50,000 it is given. From some other sources, during this year 10,000 is coming and during this year 30,000 is coming. And therefore, what should be the total? 50 plus 10, 60,000, 60 plus 30, 90,000 is the total revenue or total income. From this 60,000 is 40,000 is spent, therefore less is. And what should be the profit then? 60,000 income, 40,000 expense, the profit will be 20,000. Therefore, profit is 20,000. Here 60,000 from income, from other source of income 30,000, totally 90,000. From 90,000, 50,000 is spent, therefore the profit is 40,000. This is before calculating the tax. And after calculating the tax, we will see it in the next problems that we will see in the next class. Now, how we should find whether there is an increase or decrease. Previous year it was 50,000, now it is 60,000. Whether there is increase or decrease? Increase, because 50 to 60 increase 10,000. Then regarding other income, previous year 15, 16, 10,000, now it is 30,000. Therefore, the other income also increased by how much? 30 minus 10, 20,000. Here 60 minus 50, 10,000. 30 minus 10, 20,000. It is increased. Previous increased than the previous year. There is increase than the previous year. The same way, the total revenue, previous year 15, 16, 60,000, 16, 17, 90,000. How much is the increase? 30,000. That is the plus. If it is increase, plus. If it is decrease, minus. In expenses also, listen. In expenses also, 15, 16, 40,000. But 16, 17, it is 50,000. 50,000. Therefore, there is an increase of expense. There is an increase in expense. How much? 10,000. Likewise, in profit also. In 15, 16, 20,000 only profit. In 16, 17, 40,000 is the profit. Therefore, how much is increased? 20,000. Therefore, plus 20,000. So, if there is any increase, you should put plus. If there is any decrease, you should put minus. Now, you should show it in terms of percentage. you should show it in terms of percentage. How you will calculate this percentage? This is very important. For 50,000, how much is the increase? 10,000. Listen. In case of the first case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases. First case, how much is increase here? For 50,000, increase is 10,000. For 50,000, increase is 10,000. Since it is for percentage, for 100, how much? Then, for 10,000, increase is 20,000. For 10,000, increase 20,000. For 100, how much? Listen carefully. For 60,000, 30,000. Increase is 30,000. How much for 100? For 40,000, increase is 10,000. How much for 100? And finally, the last figure, regarding the profit for 20,000, for 20,000, increase is 20,000. How much for 100? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first case. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth case. Generally, what idea you have found out? That is, this is first year, this is second year, say for example. This is the increase or decrease. Increase or decrease by first year. 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 So, what formula you should bear in mind for this? Increase or decrease. If it is increase plus decrease minus, that's all. Increase or decrease by first year into 100. First year or the previous into 100. This should be the formula you should bear in mind. So, here we can simplify. Once again I repeat, increase or decrease by first year into 100. 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 So you simplify and write it is in terms of percentage. So you can simplify 5 if you simplify 20, so 20%. Here if you simplify 2 into 100, 200%. Here if you simplify, 3 by 6 is 2, 100 by 2, 50. Here 4 zeros cancel, 100 by 4, 25%. So here 2 by 2 simplify 1 into 100, 100%. So you can write 20% here, 200% here, 50% here, 25% here, and 100% here. These are all the results of this problem. And using this model, what you can do, I shall give an example to do as homework. Illustration 1 you do as homework. Illustration 1. The assignment is illustration 1. And don't forget to bear in mind this formula. Increase or decrease by first year into 100. If it is increase, you can show it as a plus. Or in all these items only plus, you can write a plus. If it is decrease, you can put the minus. Only the plus and minus will show you the decrease or increase. Denominator first year into 100. This is the method of finding comparative income statement for analyzing the financial statement. Thank you.